Man, guys, this is the coolest thing ever. So I do a lot of on-the-road drone work, film work, and I have this little Butamus thing right here. And you'll see that my drone battery is somewhat depleted, and I'm at another film shoot here, same day. Oh, drat, what am I going to do? Well, you'll see that I have my own charger here and plugged into the back, and it is fully charged, and that one is now fully charged. Pretty much in one trip, which was less than 40 minutes, I have both of them charged. I don't know if that's typical for the speed of the charging of this thing, but that's my particular situation. And it plugs in there, and then the other side also has 2 ports also. So 2 on that side, 2 on that side. Absolute game changer, especially that I can keep my batteries topped off while I'm on the road, and I don't need to go back to my office. This is a little USB right there, which goes to a dash cam that I have in the back of my car. You can also use that to charge your other things as well. So absolute 5 out of 5 stars. Coolest thing ever.